best. You're probably also concerned, are you going to hang out too long in that house and you're going to miss your opportunity to cash in on your equity? And these are very natural concerns. And the blocker is simply that it feels overwhelming to take that next step. It's an emotional challenge. And I see that all the time. You can't really visualize where you're going to go, perhaps, or maybe the idea of just having to get out of your house that you've been in for so long seems just unfathomable for you. This is not, you're not alone in this regard. There are a lot of people who feel just like you. So I want to help you understand that we will walk you through that process. So for the past few decades, though, you haven't just been living in a home. You've been sitting on, let's call it a winning lottery ticket. And if you look back at the data since 2020, Bergen County home prices have climbed nearly 40%. The average New Jersey homeowner has seen their equity grow by an impressive 122%. So if you've been in your house in Tenafly for 20 or 30 years, this is likely an even higher number. So the home that you bought for, a few $100,000 could be well worth $1.5 million or $2 million or more money than that. So this is, real life changing money.